Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to find out when you joined Facebook. To begin, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen to access your settings section. You scroll down the page until you get to your information. In this section, tap on Access Your Information. Once the page is opened, you tap on Personal Information. As you can see, under the profile information, it tells you when your account was created. Basically, that's how you see when you joined Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tips. Bye and see you in the next video.